Too hard.
Alright, go ahead. Start playing with his belly.
I rub your belly. I rub the belly. I rub the belly. Hold on tight. Hold on. I rub the belly. There's the belly. Careful, careful. I know. Hi. You have such a cute tongue. Hi. I rub the belly. I rub the belly. I tickle you. I tickle you. I tickle you.
Poor bird.
I tickle you. If he didn't like it, he would let me know.
I'm sure.
I tickle you. I tickle you. Oh my gosh, he's so adorable. I love you. I love you. I love you. Rub the belly. Okay, we have to go now.
Well, what's sticking out of his belly? It's almost like he's got stuffing coming out.
No. It's just his underlayer. He's not all green through and through. There's some other layers.
Hey, look, it's bird porn. We're showing his underlayer.
Hey, you had to ruin it, see? We were shooting a nice family video, and all of a sudden it turns to porn. I rub your legs. I tickle your legs. I tickle your legs. Yes, I do. I tickle them. I tickle them. I tickle them. I love you. We'll be back, okay? Promise.
Yeah, next year.
No. I tickle your belly. I tickle it one last time. Okay. I love you. Careful. Hold on. Okay, let's leave before it's like 10 o'clock and we're still here. I love you.